This is Alan Bush with the daily financial forecast for Tuesday, April 5th. Stock index futures coming under a little pressure as there seems to be a bit less optimism surrounding the Ukraine-Russia talks. Also, we had two economic reports this morning that did come in a little weaker than expected. The technicals, though, seem to be somewhat supportive, with futures still trading above downtrend lines. This being offset by the fundamentals, which still appear to be a bit on the bearish side, especially with the Fed becoming more hawkish as of late. In the currency markets, the dollar index firming as some flight to quality buying coming in. Also, we had the euro currency trading just a little bit lower with a weaker than expected economic report out of the Eurozone. Also, we had the Reserve Bank of Australia keeping its rate unchanged at 10 basis points, but their statement was a bit more hawkish, so that tended to support the Australian dollar. And in the interest rate futures markets, we're seeing prices lower across the board as traders believe that central banks will remain hawkish for quite some time, at least most central banks, not the Bank of Japan, of course. So as the Fed and other central banks tighten credit, that is the dominant fundamental that is likely to continue to pressure the interest rate futures markets. So any rallies in those markets should be sold. And I think across the board, from the euro dollars to the bonds, the whole curve is likely to work lower for futures. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.